Your Honda can do things you have absolutely no idea about. Features hidden so deep in the menus, most owners will never discover them. Functions buried in the owner's manual in such tiny print that nobody reads them. And tricks that Honda techs know about but never share, because they like keeping the secret to themselves. I've been a Honda technician for over 15 years, and I'm constantly surprised by features that have been in Honda cars for years that owners don't know about. Some of these will make your daily driving infinitely easier. Others are safety features that could actually save your life. And a few are just plain cool, the kind of thing that makes you feel like your Honda is smarter than you are. Today, I'm exposing 11 hidden Honda features that you'll absolutely regret not knowing sooner. Feature number 7 is something every Honda owner should know, but almost nobody does. And number 11, that one could literally save your life in an emergency. Let's get started. Feature 1. Automatic Headlight High Beam. Here's a feature so useful it should be standard on every car, but most owners don't know it exists. Your Honda can automatically switch between low and high beams based on oncoming traffic. Here's how to use it. Move your turn signal stalk forward until it clicks into the high position. Don't hold it. Just push it forward once and release. The high beams turn on. Now, when oncoming traffic approaches, the car automatically switches to low beams, then back to high when the road is clear. You don't have to manually flip the stalk up and down like you're a caveman. The car does it automatically using a camera that detects headlights. This works on most 2015 plus Honda models with adaptive headlights or automatic high beams. I've had customers own their Honda for 5 years and never know this feature existed. Try it on your next nighttime drive. Game changer. Feature 2. One-hand parking brake release. Hate pulling the parking brake with 2 hands, especially if you're holding something? Honda has a one-hand release. Here's the trick. Push the parking brake button with your thumb while simultaneously pulling the gear shifter toward you. The parking brake releases with one smooth motion. You don't need to press the button and use your other hand to manipulate anything. This is perfect when you're holding a coffee, a phone, or your kid's hand. Works on all electronic parking brake models, 2016 plus. Feature 3. Door mirror auto fold after locking. Your Honda can automatically fold the side mirrors when you lock the car. This protects them from being hid in tight parking spots or from thieves. Here's how to enable it. Go into your infotainment settings. Navigate to vehicle settings or car settings. Find mirror settings or door mirror options. Look for auto fold or auto close mirrors. Toggle it on. Now, every time you lock your car, the mirrors fold in automatically. When you unlock it, they extend back out. This is especially helpful if you park in a crowded lot or a tight garage. Works on most 2015 plus models, especially Accords, CR-Vs, and Pilots. Feature 4. Heated rear seats. Most people know about heated front seats, but Honda also has hidden heated rear seats on certain models. Problem is, there's usually no obvious button for them. Here's how to find and use them. Look at your rear seat area. On some models, especially Pilot and Odyssey, there are small buttons hidden on the side of the rear seats. If you don't see them, check your infotainment screen under Climate Control. You can control rear seat heaters from there. On some newer models, you can use the smartphone app to control rear seat heating remotely. If your Honda has rear seat heaters but no controls, ask a Honda tech to enable them. Some have to be programmed through the diagnostic port. Feature 5. Automatic Parking Light. When you parallel park, your Honda can automatically activate the parking lights in the direction you're turning. Here's how it works. When you shift into reverse and turn the wheel, the car automatically turns on the reverse lights and can activate corner lights. On newer models with intelligent lighting, the car lights up the area you're backing into automatically. This happens without you doing anything. It's built-in safety. But some people don't even realize it's happening because it's so subtle. Feature 6. Speed-sensitive power steering. Your Honda's power steering adjusts based on your speed. At low speeds, parking, tight maneuvering, steering is extra light. At highway speeds, steering becomes heavier and more responsive. You probably notice this naturally, but here's the cool part. You can adjust the sensitivity. Go into Vehicle Settings on your infotainment. Find Steering Feel or EPS sensitivity. You can choose Comfort, Lightest, Normal, or Sport, Heaviest. Pick whichever feels best for your driving style. If you want lighter steering for parking, choose Comfort. If you want more feedback on the highway, choose Sport. Works on most 2015 plus models. If you want to take your Honda maintenance to the next level and keep it running strong past 500,000 miles, I've put together a complete maintenance blueprint just for Honda owners. It covers every fluid change, every inspection interval, and every trick to maximize your engine's lifespan. Click the link in the description to get your copy of the 500,000 mile car maintenance blueprint for Honda. It's a game changer. Feature 7. Automatic Parking Brake Hold. This is the feature most people don't know about, and it's incredibly useful. Your Honda can hold the parking brake automatically at red lights. Here's how to activate it. While driving, apply the parking brake briefly. A light will appear on your dash. Now, at every red light, when you come to a complete stop, the parking brake engages automatically. When the light turns green and you press the gas, the brake releases. You don't have to use your foot brake on every stop. This saves your brakes, reduces fatigue on long city drives, and looks cool. To disable it, press the parking brake button again while the feature is active. Works on all Hondas with electronic parking brakes, 2016 plus. Feature 8. Steering Wheel Position Memory. If multiple people drive your Honda, steering wheel position memory is a lifesaver. Save your preferred steering wheel position, up, down, and in, out, to a memory button. Next time someone else drives, your settings disappear. When you get back in, just press your memory button and the wheel automatically adjusts to your preference. Here's how to program it. Adjust the steering wheel to your perfect position. Find the Set or Memory button on your door panel. Press and hold Set while pressing Memory 1. You'll hear a beep. Now your position is saved. Your spouse can do the same with Memory 2. Works on Accords, Pilots, and higher trims, 2015 plus. Feature 9. Climate Control Zone Separation. Did you know your automatic climate control can heat/cool different zones independently? The driver can have the heat on while the passenger has the AC on. Here's how. On your climate control panel, look for a button that says Dual, Zone, or has independent temperature controls. Press it. Now you and your passenger can set different temperatures. Driver sets 72 degrees Fahrenheit. Passenger sets 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Both are happy. This is perfect for couples who can never agree on the temperature. Works on most Accords, CR-Vs, and Pilots, 2012 plus. If you made it this far, then consider liking this video, giving it a thumbs up, and subscribing to my channel. This helps me bring you more honest car advice. Feature 10. Eco Driving Indicator. Your Honda has a hidden eco-driving game built into the infotainment system. It shows you a visual representation of how efficiently you're driving. Here's how to access it. Go into your infotainment menu. Find Driver Information or Eco Driving. Select it. You'll see leaves, bars, or a graph showing your real-time fuel efficiency. Green leaves or bars equals efficient driving. No leaves or red equals wasteful driving. This gamifies driving. People naturally drive smoother to keep the leaves green. As a bonus, smoother driving means better fuel economy and less engine wear. Works on most 2015 plus models. Feature 11. Emergency Rear Seat Escape. Here's a feature that could save your life. Every Honda has an emergency release handle inside the trunk. If you ever get locked in the trunk, kidnapping, accident, anything, this handle opens it from inside. It's a glow-in-the-dark handle, usually on the inside of the trunk lid or on the rear quarter panel. Pull it hard and the trunk opens immediately. Test yours right now. Open your trunk and look for this handle. Make sure you and your family know where it is. This is a federal safety requirement, but most people don't even know it exists. In a true emergency, Knowing about this could save your life or someone else's. Bonus features. The settings you didn't know existed. Here are a few more hidden settings worth exploring. Setting 1. Customizable welcome lights. When you unlock your car, the lights turn on automatically. You can adjust how long they stay on. Setting 2. Adjustable lock/unlock beep volume. Some people find the beep annoying. You can lower the volume or mute it entirely in settings. Setting 3. Automatic window roll-up on lock. You can set all windows to roll up when you lock the car remotely. Setting 4. Camera calibration. If your camera display is misaligned, you can recalibrate it in the service menu. Setting 5. Fuel door auto lock. Some models lock the fuel door automatically when you drive. You can enable or disable this. Why Honda hides these features? You're probably wondering, if these features are so useful, why doesn't Honda advertise them? 3 reasons. Reason 1. The owner's manual is already huge. Honda doesn't want to overwhelm customers with information, so they bury useful features in tiny print, assuming owners will discover them naturally. Most people never read past page 50 of their owner's manual. Reason 2. Simplicity. Honda wants the car to feel intuitive. If they advertise every feature, it feels complicated. They'd rather let you discover cool things organically. Reason 3. Different markets. Some features are available in certain regions, but not others. Instead of complicating the marketing, Honda just doesn't mention them publicly. How to discover more features. Want to find more hidden Honda features? Here's how. Step 1. Read your owner's manual. I know nobody wants to, but the manual has a complete feature list, even if it's hard to find. Step 2. Explore your infotainment settings. Just poke around. Click on menus you don't recognize. Most cars won't let you break anything by exploring settings. Step 3. Ask your Honda dealer. During your next service appointment, ask, "What features do I not know about?" They'll probably smile and show you something cool. Step 4. Watch Honda owner YouTube videos. Search hidden Honda features or your specific model hidden features. You'll find a ton of useful tricks. Step 5. Join Honda owner forums. Reddit communities and Facebook groups have passionate owners who've discovered all kinds of features. Final thoughts. Your Honda is smarter than you think. It's packed with features designed to make your driving safer, more comfortable, and more enjoyable. But Honda doesn't shout about them. They let you discover them. So start exploring. Check your manual. Dig through your settings. Test these features. You'll probably find something that makes you say, "Why didn't I know about this sooner?" And that's the whole point of this video. There are features in your Honda that can genuinely improve your daily driving experience. Knowing about them is the difference between driving your Honda and truly enjoying your Honda. So take the time, learn your car. You'll be glad you did. And if you're serious about keeping your Honda running strong for the long haul, don't forget to grab the 500,000 mile car maintenance blueprint. It's packed with every maintenance interval, fluid change schedule, and insider tip you need to get maximum life out of your engine. The link's in the description, and it's specifically designed for Honda owners who want their cars to last forever. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to watch this next video as we're sharing insider tips to help you cut repair costs and keep your car running like new.